Welcome back, guys. So today we are gonna show how you can set up a Mixamo rig and how you can transform the animations that you previously had or from something else to your custom rig, or in this case the custom rig is gonna be the Mixamo rig. And the same as the last episode, you can do this with this rig as well, but to not repeat myself, I will not do that, but you can just rewatch the video and do the same. So I now downloaded this T-pose and I'm just gonna drag and drop this into a scene, and this is really easy, but if you want the custom rig, we're gonna have it like this. So basically when it comes in, as you can see, we don't have a rig set up initially. So we're just gonna hit the rig mode, get in here, quick rigging tools, and see if everything is up. Sometimes you have to do this manually, but luckily this works with it. And now we have the rig automatically set up. And yeah, seems good to me. Generate rig, and as I said, you can do the same stuff we did for the other rig. So now we have this rig already, and it's ready, and it should work as it is supposed to. So now to the question of retargeting. So you have two possibilities. Okay, here we have a mani animation ready. And what I can just do is that I just select the whole animation, make sure that I get everything, and I can edit, retargeting, copy, and just basically go into here, make sure that I have enough frames. This was 78 frames, which you just have to select 78 or more. Edit, and then retargeting, paste. And as you see, everything went well. We can go over it. It reloads. Doesn't really have any bugs to it. So you might have smaller things happen depending on the rig that you have. Not all rigs are well made, and thereby you can have some issues. Like for an example, the way it's weight painted here could have been better, but it works. But let's say that you don't have an animation or don't have the paid version in Pro, then these wouldn't be available for you. And so if you want to copy an animation from a skeleton that has the same naming convention, like this roll for an example, what I would do is that I would go into this bone mode, double click the hip of the animation that you want to copy, Ctrl-Shift-C to copy it, and here you have an animation. Of course, you need to select all the frames that you want to copy, and then in this same one, same skeleton naming convention, select the scene, enough frames, Control, Shift, and V. And there you go. So if you would rename this whole rig, then you could basically copy this over to the mani rig. And to get that done, I would use batch renaming in Blender. But since I have the Pro version, I just have the retargeting, and most often it gives a cleaner result. But this works as well. And that was all for this one.